The Nobel Prize Committee awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 2018 to two scientists who, separately, discovered proteins that slow down the immune system, a job that paved the way for what the committee calls a completely new principle for cancer therapy. The winners are James P. Allison of the United States and Tasuku Honjo of Japan. Working in the 1990s, both scientists studied the proteins that regulate the immune system and keep it under control. For Allison, this protein was CTLA-4, while Honjo studied a protein called PD-1. Both CTLA-4 and PD-1 regulate the immune system and prevent it from being too aggressive. Therefore, it is possible to use an antibody to direct these proteins and close them. When these proteins are closed and the brakes are released, the immune system of our body can attack cancerous tumors, a form of treatment that today is called immunotherapy. Both proteins slow the immune system, only in different ways. In subsequent experiments, Allison discovered that blocking CTLA proteins in mice cured them of cancer. In 2011, the Food and Drug Administration of the United States approved this method to treat metastatic melanoma. 3 years later, the FDA approved Keytruda and Opdivo, two treatments for melanoma based on the work of Honjo. The Nobel citation notes that a combination therapy targeting both proteins could work even better. Dr. Allison, 70, is president of immunology at the MD Anderson Cancer Center at the University of Texas. Dr. Honjo, 76, is a longtime professor at Kyoto University. The two will share the cash prize of approximately $1.01 million.